Talks. It's Friday, April 2nd, 2021. Welcome to today's episode of Hawk Headline News on the Cesar Chavez Broadcast Network. I'm your host, Nami. Our top stories. Time is running out on getting involved. We are looking for any current 6th or 7th graders who are interested in building an incredible school. If you have ideas on how to make CCMS even better, we need you to #GetInvolved. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Check your email or click on the link in the description below. Today is the last day to complete an application. There's no school next week, so enjoy the week off from school and come back recharged and ready to close out the school year. We have 6 more weeks of school after the break. If you witness someone being kind, hardworking, accountable, wise, and spirited, we want to hear about it. Click on the link in the description below or find a link on our school website. Today is National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day. I love me an old school PB&J. Our quote from the day comes from Dr. Suess, who said, "Why fit in when you were born to stand out?" From the Comedy Corner, why was the math book stressed out? Because it had so many problems. Fun fact, prairie dogs actually say hello with kisses. From the discussion desk, write about something cool you learned this week. The Cesar Chavez family wants to wish a happy birthday to the following kiddos whose birthdays today or during the break. So happy birthday to Tatiana, Diana, Devonte, Miley Z. Wren, Viviana, Gabriel, Marquise, David, Victoria, Carlos, Jessica, Dayan, Juan, Edkari, Santiago, Johanna, Adriana, Yash, Yasmin, Ava, Crystal, Natalia, Kate, Jose, Yoslin, Isaac, Eduardo, Alana, Jacob, Kayla, Betsari, Monica, Angel, Daniel, Cristobal, Naomi, Walter, David, and Nicholas. Enjoy your special day. Thank you for tuning in. See you Monday, April 12th, and every afternoon at 12:45 right here on YouTube for our daily announcements. And find a way to be a hawk today.